How Biden's 2 trillion idea ranks in US history. The US federal government played a key role in the development of infrastructure over the course of 20th century, from public works project of 1930s to building the highways in 1950s. Now Joe Biden hopes to hold the legacy with the 2 trillion plan that would mark the largest federal investment infrastructure. In a generation, where does it rank? Among the largest projects in American history, the present plan has received criticism from Republicans for defining infrastructure too widely. Only about 6% of the spending would go directly towards roads and bridges. The bill makes significant investment in the home care services, job training, expansion of broadband access, electric vehicle, incentive and R&D. These are the things that are most helpful for it. Google has its international headquarters across campus offices and will soon have more spaces nearby at Bullen's Mill development. Just across the canal, Facebook has its international headquarters with Trapezoid and Airbnb close by. Stripe, the United States-based payment firm, could soon be in area. Last month, its Irish founders said they have been planning about 1,000 new jobs in Ireland. The head of the country involves the investment agency, Martin Shanahan, described the Stripe investment as a phenomenal sign of Ireland and about Ireland. Irish tax advantage under threat. In among those tech company headquarters in Dublin, Dublin, and also find the office system of lawyers and accountants who have US firms use Ireland tax systems for the past 20 years. Ireland has a simple message: invest here and will pay 1.25 tax on your Irish profits. The compare favorable to headline corporation tax rates are 90% in the UK, Germany 25%, and Canada 26.5%. In this article, faith in Irish political has 12.5 rate has been vital to attracting US investments, but the tax advantage could be seriously undermined if the president based on get his way. The most striking of his proposal and one of the most consequence of the Ireland is for global minimum corporate tax rate. The US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has suggested a 25% minimum rate. We are working with G20 nations to agree to global minimum corporate tax, which can stop race to bottom. She said in speech last week, together we can use a global minimum tax to make sure the global economy thrives based on the model of level playing field in the taxation of multinational corporations. What would you think it will mean for Ireland economy? Essentially, that would mean if a company tried pays tax on lower Irish rate, then the US or other countries could top up the company tax in their jurisdictions to get to the global minimum. So if a US company had a presence in Ireland primarily for the tax advantage, that advantage would be disappear. It is a matter of urgency for Biden's administration because it has planning raise corporate taxes home and would prefer not to see more tax. Peter Whale, tax partner with accordingly John Thornton in Dublin, thinks global minimum rates is now an inevitability, but is now moving the day and the US behind its plans think we are going to arrive at some sort of global consensus. He said that the key issue for Ireland became at the level which rate is set. I don't think 21 is where the Ireland land. I suspect it will be over where somewhere in the teens. Other details will be temporarily too. Exactly how will you work with the rate company is paying in Ireland and what does that mean in the terms of any top up? Details become pretty critical. The Biden proposal have been reinvoked with the help of LED OECD, Intergovernmental Economic Organization. It began project known as Base Erosion Source Beaming in 2013. Intention to target Ireland.